When it comes to plumbing design and installation in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD is the go-to company. With years of experience in the industry, they have established a reputation for delivering high-quality plumbing solutions to residential and commercial clients in the Marathahalli area. Their team of skilled professionals is well-versed in all aspects of plumbing design and installation, ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standards. At SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD, they understand the importance of a well-designed plumbing system. Whether it's for a new construction project or a renovation, their team works closely with clients to develop customized plumbing designs that meet their specific needs and requirements. From determining the optimal layout to selecting the right fixtures and materials, they ensure that every aspect of the design is carefully considered. Once the plumbing design is finalized, SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd takes charge of the installation process. Their experienced technicians utilize their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment to efficiently install the plumbing system. They follow industry best practices and adhere to all safety regulations, guaranteeing a seamless and reliable installation. What sets SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd apart from other plumbing companies in Marathahalli is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize open communication with clients throughout the entire process, keeping them informed and involved at every stage. When it comes to plumbing design and installation in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd is a trusted name in the industry. With years of experience and expertise, they have established themselves as a leading provider of plumbing services in the area. Whether you are constructing a new building or renovating an existing one, their team of skilled professionals can handle all your plumbing needs. At SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd, they understand the importance of a well-designed plumbing system for the efficient functioning of any building. Their team of expert engineers and designers work closely with clients to create customized plumbing designs that meet their specific requirements. From determining the right pipe sizes and materials to designing efficient drainage systems, they pay attention to every detail to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the plumbing system. The installation process is equally important, and SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd ensures that it is carried out with precision and adherence to all safety standards. Their team of experienced plumbers is well equipped with the latest tools and techniques to handle any installation project, regardless of its complexity. They make use of high-quality materials to ensure durability and reliability of the plumbing system.